Hey, this is Ace here with Hillbilly How To's. Today I'm going to show you how to redesign a bird feeder hanger. Hey, this is Ace here. So I wanted to talk to you today about a bird feeder redesign. I was having problems finding a bird feeder hanger that would hang far enough away from the porch to keep the birds from pooping on the porch. The only thing that I was finding was something like this, which is only about a foot to 18 inches. Which this is not far enough away from the porch. So I took a normal hanger that you would find at Lowe's, but it's for putting it like in the yard. I've got a picture of that now. I'll show you. So I couldn't find a picture of the exact hanger that I have, but this one's very similar. It's just got a different bird there made on the top of it. This is just a normal shepherd's hook hanger for potted flower or for a bird feeder. So I took that and I bent it in two different places. Here I bent it up, and then I bent this down, and then I put two eye bolts here to hold the feeder where I can spin it around to put the food in the feeder. And as you can see, this is the top of what would be standing there in the yard. It's bent up. I put this in a vise and bent it. It is very hard to bend, so I don't have any other recommendations. I tried a few other ways, but you need a large vise that you can hold it tight to bend it. It works great. It does keep the birds from pooping on the porch. It's very easy to get to it to fill it up. I hope you like this video. If you got any other questions about this, please leave them in the comments below or send me an email. I thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.